So check out DC20 today. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh, afternoon curler, baby. Afternoon curl all day.
What's up, guys? I'm here with the DeRosa team standing in front of a Home2 Suites in Houston, Texas. This property is part of a two-package portfolio being put together by DeRosa under the brand DeRosa Capital 20. DeRosa Capital 20 is a venture into the hotel world. Let's learn more right now.
Matt, when you started DeRosa about 20 years ago, did you ever think you'd be buying a hotel?
I've been curious about buying hotels, but I never had the confidence because I wasn't sure of all the mechanics and how it's changed. Over the last year or two, we've gotten really educated in the hotel world. I still pinch myself a little bit that we're making this happen. When I was a kid growing up, like the little green houses, right? Those are houses, but the big red thing was a hotel. And so I've always wanted to, but I've never had the confidence to do it until now because of the team that we've got, the partners we have. Company's ready, man. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to be doing this deal.
Yeah, so how are you feeling looking up at this hotel right here and knowing that we're gonna be taking it down?
It's like pinch yourself, man. This is built just a few years ago. We toured it, looked at the gym, checked out the pool. It's really this is like a level up moment for me, for the company. So I'm really grateful that it's happening because it feels like a really cool next level thing for us. We've been only in housing, and we're not getting away from housing, but this is a very similar box to an apartment building, right? It's like, what is it? It's a box that's got toilets and plumbing and electricity, and the people pay you for a certain segment of time to have all their needs met and to stay there, right? Sometimes an apartment building, it's a year, 2, 5 years, right? For here, it might be a night, might be a week. So I'm realizing all the similarities that exist in the multifamily world or the hotel world. There's a lot of differences, ton of differences. But I really think that we're bringing a lot to the table that we've learned over the last 20 years, how to pull something like this off.
Sweet, and it wouldn't be possible without the investors.
Nope, not without you guys. Thank you so much.
Afternoon curler, baby. Afternoon curl all day. You know what they say? Girls love the curls, baby. Girls love the curls. Yeah. Summertime, fun time. Summertime, fun time. Here we go. Summertime, fun time.
That's funny.
Day one recap of our day in Houston. It was a good day, humidity. Half of the group woke up at probably 3 in the morning, drove here, flew, all that, XYZ, we're here. But we looked at the property, we had the tour of the Home2 here. It's a really good property, the location's amazing. As you can see, even the traffic at 10 o'clock at night is robust, The parking lot is filled up. When we were here at 3 o'clock, we were probably like 5 cars in the parking lot. They're probably gonna end up at probably 85% occupancy for the night. So it's good to see. Overall, very productive day. Talked with the seller, got more information on the operations, looked at the property, revenues, operations, how it's performing to date, and Along with that, got together the DeRosa team, went out for a great team dinner, and here we are.
Hey, how does it feel finally be buying a hotel with DeRosa? I know that this was a lot of your brainchild, so.
Yep. No, it feels good to buy a property, especially a brand that I want, which is a Home2 and a Hampton, you know. So it's really nice to get this. I mean, we've looked at Spring Hills, we have looked at Fairfield, we looked at Holiday Inn Expresses, and some of the deals we were in the best and final. Some of them we had it under contract, but the due diligence didn't work out. So nice to have these properties all, you know, on the contract, and they're irreplaceable location. The property is a lot newer than what we were looking at initially, even a year ago. We have one 2019 build, the other one's 2015 built. We're gonna be, I mean, for our investors, there's gonna be pretty good money to be made in these properties.
Heading to dinner with the crew. This is the crew. What's up, guys? This is Jacob from the DeRosa Group, and that right there is a Hilton Hotel Home2 Suites, and we are buying it. So we had a really, really quick start to the day. I flew in from San Francisco. I woke up at 3 a.m., flew straight to Houston. We have to check out these two new hotels that we're buying. So one is the Home2 Suites here in Houston, Texas. Beautiful property. Very, very excited about it. It's gonna be a great project. Great returns for our investors. And tomorrow we're flying to Milwaukee and checking out the Hampton Inn there. So very exciting that DeRosa is getting into the hotel game. Very exciting to bring a new deal to our investors, and just another great opportunity to bond and spend time with the team. So it's been a whirlwind of a day, very tiring, but yeah, it's been energizing and fun as well. So I think we're heading off to dinner now.
So onward and upward for tomorrow, man. I mean, I've never done a 2-day, like a 2-location and then home trip. So I'm flying from here, from home to Houston. Now we're going to Milwaukee for our next deal, which I'm super pumped to check out as well, which is a Hampton Inn Suites. Not that one, that's in Houston. We're gonna go see another one up in Milwaukee tomorrow. So super grateful to take the DeRosa team. There's a few of them all hanging out around here. We're gonna go keep this party going and go and look at more properties and find more ways to add investor value and learn along the way and all that. So you should come join us, a little day in the life.
All right, we are wrapping up in Houston. We are taking the shuttle to the airport now. Very productive day, very quick. It's about 6:30 a.m. right now, but we are heading to Milwaukee to check out our second acquisition in DeRosa Capital 20, the Hampton Inn. So we will see you guys in Milwaukee.
We better have a plan B.
Clear up the doorway.
We better have a plan B. Hold on.
Taking this thing all the way to Milwaukee. Let's go.
Come on, man. Need a pit.
Where's the pit for this?
CapEx budget. Out of here.
Second train of the day.
Trains. Just so we're still an hour ahead.
We're all good.
Getting wise at your age.
I'm trying.
Have you been to Milwaukee before?
Yes. This airport. I've been to Milwaukee. Just stop. Yep.
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
they're expanding the airport, which is good news for our asset. I am standing in front of the second property. This is the Hampton Inn in Milwaukee. It is a absolutely gorgeous property. So when you put this with the Home2 Suites in Houston, that is the portfolio for DeRosa Capital 20. Phenomenal properties, phenomenal markets, very, very exciting investment opportunity for our investors. Cannot wait to show you guys this one.
Hey guys, so time for a quick tour of the rooms in this Hampton Inn Suites. So, yet again, gotta love a room with a kitchen. Just like our Home2 Suites down in Houston, this property, this Hampton, has a little finished kitchen, little fridge, little mini fridge in here, it's okay. Laid out a little different, but yet again, I'm telling you guys, this is what I love, Hervé, about hotels that are there to serve full spectrum of people, right? Mm-hmm. I got a business traveler. They're covered right here. They can do their work. Got a nice little pluggy plug even on the lamp. It's well thought out. Right. Plugs here with the USB plugs and everything like that. This is a well thought out arrangement for a business traveler that's coming here, gonna spend a few days, maybe gonna go food shopping, keep some food in the unit, cook it themselves, right? Or a person like myself, just gonna bring their little knuckleheads here to come and do what knuckleheads do and be kids and go swim in the pool that this property also has. Right here. Fold out couch, Hervé. Look at that.
There you go.
Fold out couch.
You know where they're sleeping.
Right there.
You know where they're sleeping.
Well, you know how that goes with my kids. Many of you guys have kids too. You know how that goes.
Finishing another steel side, the wood side. Yeah, they indented the window. It's actually metal. It's not wood. It's metal siding. Oh yeah. I'm going to City College. On the project called
Exploring some of the sites in Milwaukee.
So it's like you try to do you want to make it count. Like you roll 5 times, you want to get a combination that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Or you want to get
Happy Wednesday!
Happy Wednesday!
Woo!
It's gonna make it happen.
It's gonna make it happen today.
We're doing big things.
We're doing big things.
In Milwaukee.
In Milwaukee.
And Houston.
And Houston.
So check out DC20.
So check out DC20 today. Whoa. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Wow, that was awesome. That was actually really good. Yeah. Yeah.
Shout out Lit Off Life. That's our YouTube. Yo, subscribe.
Lit Off Life, all right?
Yo, we lit
Hell
off
yeah. Hell yeah.
Man, we selling music, doing something positive. We cut grass and everything, man. Yeah.
All right, boys.
Yo,
All right. Peace.
I'm finna go downstairs right now and grab a shovel and see if they want to know.
And guys, just to show off, let's finish it up by the pool. What are you guys waiting for? Come join us on DeRosa Capital 20 by going to DeRosaGroup.com/DC20.